"Oh great, here's another industry standard to follow in automotive," said no one, ever. That regulation is UN 155. It's actually part of a much larger treaty signed in 1958. And the idea behind it is simple. You want cars to be considered safe, and then all the countries that are party to that specific treaty agree to recognize each other's certification process as equally valid. UN 155 is actually not very long, but it does cover a lot of ground. We are talking about attacks from the network. You're also talking about maybe the way that you're going to deal with secrets and all those kind of things. But at the center of it, you will also have the stability and the robustness of your software. So basically, not having runtime errors somewhere spread in your C, C++, or even Rust code that could actually be exploited for an attack. And yes, I said Rust because even if it's more difficult to unfortunately put a runtime error in a Rust code base, it's still very much possible, so it needs to be detected and ferreted out before it ships for production. The name of the game here is how to do that effectively and efficiently. If, for whatever reason, the techniques that you're deploying against a problem are not finding all the bugs, then it means that there may be still hazards inside your code. That's not good. At the same time, if your technique is finding so many false positives that you're basically being swamped by false positive, then it means it's going to be very low efficiency and you can still miss some runtime errors. How about if I told you that you can actually leverage the power of mathematics in order to prove that your code is runtime error free? What if I even told you that the analysis in this case is going to be quick and it's going to be precise, so most of the messages that you're seeing in there are going to be actual bugs, things that can actually happen. They may happen sometime, not very often, or they may happen more often. If so, I would take a look at our website, trustinsoft.com. And just in case that you still have questions or you feel that maybe that there's something in there, feel free to contact me personally.